old Chainsaw Bob. And my 82nd birthday today. And, you know, being an old country boy like I am from the woods of North Georgia here, why I thought you'd be interested in, you know, how I celebrate my birthday. And we don't fix birthday cakes around my house anymore or anything. We can't afford all the candles to go on them if we could make a cake big enough to hold all them candles. But I celebrate in the traditional Southern way. Yes, I do. There it is. With an RC Cola and a moon pie. And you can't get much better than this. At least not around down here you can't. This is about as good as it gets. So just sit back for a minute or two. Let me enjoy myself. Watch. The best way to open this thing up is to pull the tab. Wow. And you get that robust aroma out of here. Take a sip. You slosh it back and forth in your mouth like a good wine. Then you take your moon pie. It's only 220 calories. It's usually a little better if you don't get it squished in your saddlebag when you're bringing it home. But we open that moon pie up. These are made in Chattanooga, Tennessee, by the way. And sip so we don't get too much on us. Well, I'll tell you, folks, that's probably about as close to heaven as I'm ever going to get. You know, I only actually like RC Cola with a moon pie. By itself, I don't care much for it. I'm telling you, they just don't get much better than this. Don't wait till you're 82 years old like me to try this. It's better than any old birthday cake. You got it from old Chainsaw Bob. You saw it on YouTube. You know it's the truth. Thanks for watching.